Zeus, the king of the gods, holds the title of the ruler of lightning due to his unmatched power over storms and thunder raining from Mount Olympus with authority and might. This ancient Greek temple, brimming with history, serves as a reminder of Zeus's dominance and reverence among mortals, while the approaching storm reflects his unmatched ability to command the forces of nature. In the heat of battle against the Titans, Zeus's power is undeniable as he hurls lightning bolts, showcasing his role as a protector of order, while the calm throne room reflects the admiration he commands among the gods.